Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am back with another DIY video using one of my favorite ingredients, which is aloe vera. Today I will show you how to make your own aloe vera oil using just two ingredients, which is coconut oil and aloe vera leaf. As always, to get started, you want to start by cleaning your aloe vera leaf thoroughly. We cleaned our leaf by running it under water and basically just washing it with our hands to remove all the gunk and all that out. And I'm saying we because I had my assistant help me with some of the bits in this video. So after this, what you want to do is use a knife to remove the thorny bits on the edges of the leaf. I also go ahead and would suggest that you remove both ends of the leaf. The tip is not super beneficial because it doesn't have a lot of gel, and generally you want to remove or cut off the part of the leaf that it's attached to the plant. Anywhere where you see the white parts, as you can see in this video, just cut that all completely off. And then you want to go ahead and chop it up into small pieces. Try to make them as small as possible. We started out with biggish ones, but then decided to also just cut them further down. It just makes the cooking process a lot easier. Awesome, so now at this point we're ready for the fun part. In a pan, you want to take 1 cup of coconut oil or any oil of your choice. You are not restricted to use coconut oil. I use coconut oil because my hair really agrees with it and because it has a lower boiling point. It basically, you can cook it a lot longer without burning it, which is not always the same with things like olive oil and all of those other oil. So all I had at this point was refined coconut oil, and that worked completely okay for me for this recipe. But again, you can use any oil that you want. Heat the coconut oil on medium heat. Again, if you are using another oil, just make sure you might need to cook it at a lower heat depending on how quickly it takes to burn the oil. And then what you want to do is add the 2 cups of the chopped aloe leaf. Cook these until they're golden brown or yellowish. So what we did is that we did 1 cup of the chopped leaf and then added another cup later, but you do not need to do this. You can add all of your aloe vera pieces, chopped pieces, all at the same time. Awesome. And then you basically, again, let it cook until it's golden brown. And then that's how you know that all the goodness of the aloe vera leaf has been transferred into your oil of choice. Okay, so I'm gonna just quickly share 3 main benefits of aloe vera oil for our hair. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. As such, it can treat most scalp conditions such as dandruff, shedding, alopecia related conditions and stuff like that. Secondly, it is a natural conditioner for our hair because it balances the pH of our hair, and it also helps to close or smooth down our hair cuticles. Finally, it is also anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and has antimicrobial properties, which are super essential to maintaining our general scalp health. And we know that a healthy scalp is super essential to healthy hair growth in general. So once all the pieces are golden brown, set the pan aside and allow the oil to cool down completely. Thereafter, you can use a sift to separate the oil from the aloe pieces. And then you pretty much want to transfer your oil into an airtight container, preferably a mason jar of sorts, but this is again all I had on hand. And then you pretty much store it in there, and you can use it as a prepoo, a sealant, or a hot oil treatment. I would highly suggest that you use it as a prepoo, as in before shampooing, because aloe vera has a very potent and hectic smell that doesn't agree with everybody. So I would just advise that you do it in that way. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning into our channel. Please make sure that you subscribe for more videos and turn on the notification for future videos so that you are notified when we upload any video. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.